Okay, this is here. This is here when I start to work about art. This was in 2010 when I start my art here. You see, this is my whole heart, and more and more I go up, I got more idea, and before when I really start, I want to make something in the worlds. So you can see this painting. I have 8 years, 7 years on this world. Even man on the gate too, I want something, and more, you see, the Redji arm. You see, more and more, I start, and I got more inspiration, and then I become, and I make my first biennale was in 2011. That's the reason more and more I start the way, and I keep working. And you see, this is always some painting on the world, and then more and more I change. You're gonna see, and follow me. You're gonna see more. So this is my corridor. This is where I go up. So and I still go out here, and many times I've still doing on the street. It's not really something quickly, but it's very hard to work on the PowerPoints like a city. And when I stay here, this is my whole heart. This was when I start to work. This I make something like this, something like that, And more I change. This is my whole heart. There are some got 7 years, 8 years. This one is more for. I made this one when I part in my first biennale. This was in 2011, and you're gonna see more and more. I change the idea. I change. If you write, it's must to change. That's really great. And this is my second way I still working, and you're gonna see more. And the orders when I change to part on the second biennale in 2012. You're gonna see I open the door, and then you're gonna enjoy more. Okay. Oh, in Haiti, no electricity. Right now, no electricity. Did you even Haiti? That's the reason why. Okay, come get it. You're gonna see more. And this is still my whole heart. This is still my whole heart. You see? And and I wanted to change my idea. I want to be different. I start to get all this idea. That's the reason why I make it some mirror. Right now I make some in the mirror. You can see this is a mirror. And then the last biennale, I make it for the last biennale. And I was the 3rd place in this biennale here. Right now you see, more and more I change the idea. I change it. You can see I got more thing. I become more important, because when you an artist, you must do innovation. You must to explain your work. Yeah. You can see here. This is the have. That means I love this art. This is the Haitian on it. The Haitian on it because many people eat well, go on the party. He say he will do something for the world, but they have still shit on it, because many person in Africa can eat well, many person in Haiti can eat well. You see, even you put some diaper for the world, it's still shit on it. You see, they have the shit yellow, the shit red. The yellow that mean betray. If you have a betray, you got a criminality. That's the reason why I made it. And this one, the reason why I put it. This is Haiti. Haiti don't really on the good sense. Haiti is supposed to be like this. I put it like this. The reason I put some arrow, because Haiti lose our direction. The real direction of Haiti is here. It's not really here. But that's the reason I show the culture can fix Haiti. It can make a light to light Haiti to search the really direction. This one is that mean if you don't have a feet, if you don't have a shoes, but if you have a feet, one day you will gotta choose. There are some people, they have a lot of money, you can buy a feet, but that means if you don't have nothing today, if you still have a power, if you still have a head, one day you can put something in your head. If you have a ram, one day you can have a pen to write. If you don't have it, you can do nothing. But if you have it, you can hope. That's life. That's the reason why I keep working every night, every day. So that's my world. That's my way to enjoy and to talk about my frustration. You don't see that this is the one. You can see a snake, a baby. You see, when you have a baby in the society, you must do something real because all baby must learn. Everything you're gonna do, the baby will not follow and learn too. That means when you have a society, you also have a good family. Because a good family, you can have a good society. Because the baby born in the society. And thanks to God, I live in the neighbor and my blood is like a ghetto. But thanks to God, I can pay my university. It's not really well, but I make more sacrifice to do it. I study law. Right now I'm the last. After I will give my memory, I will become a lawyer. But it's not really something easy. This is my blood. You don't have a thing young at university. Every young on the street play domino, don't do nothing, waste our time. It's not really our fault because later don't do nothing for us. We have to change here, okay? We have to change. I hope that one day, because we are the first country revolution, we're beating. We can do more than this. We can do more than Toussaint. We have a country, we have a people, we have the potentiality. We need love. We need job. We don't need apartment. You don't need corruption. We have the good system to listen. Almost. Here the policeman make a arrestation. After arrestation, he beat these people. That's what I want. Me, next year I will done with my university, but I can only think about me because they are all another young. They are another young supposed to eat too. They're supposed to have a university. They're supposed to go in the school too. But the reason why we supposed to make a revolution, we supposed to change. But the international, I want to tell you that everything is not really poor. One thing I know, if you have something to put in and they have to grow up to make a food, we have the richest. Because food and generation is a richer for Haiti. So enjoy the video. It's not really the last one you're gonna see, but you try to know that. You must put that in your mind. Haiti is not really poor. We have the bad government because we can't work. Okay? We are power and your culture. One thing I know too, if a country you lose your culture, you live. If a country you lose your culture, you lose your soul. Thank you. Right. So much frustration here. We can't stop. We must make a revolution. One day, we will know about us. We are not about people. We are a people. This is my work, 5 months. This is a work after 5 months. This is a map of PowerPoints. Yeah, you can see. You can see about my work. I just show PowerPoints like he said. You can see inside my eye. You can see like poverty, like discrimination, like I just talk about the truth. I show PowerPoints like he said. Like a voting out, like an exclusion, justice don't really well, like a perfidy, election, the election always corruption, pollution, garbage, education doesn't work, and family the ones that think it the true responsibility, and employment, inflation. You can see in my work I put some French word and Creole and English, but you can see the reason why I use the symbol of voodoo to work to create PowerPoints because to me I can find the best weeks to read PowerPoints in cartography in the past and the future. But the reason why I work about it, inside PowerPoints you can find like discrimination, divide us. PowerPoint is centralizing, you can see if you want to use an official service, you have to come in PowerPoint. A country not supposed was this supposed work doesn't work about this. Not supposed doesn't work about this. But you can see like in Haiti, like in Hungary, the healthy doesn't really work. But if you have a bad health, you can die on the street because they really are good with that. One reason why I put this the big migration. And before yesterday I make my presentation, I invite people to make interaction with my word. I ask them to write one word they think it can change Haiti, and many person come and do it. The reason why you can see many words like in rien changer, tout changer, that means nothing change all. You can say always we talking, we have to go and continue. You can say make take together without oxygen. You can say some Spanish word, some French word, some English word, some English from Jamaica too. You know, like people made this interaction. So I hope to see you. But I present for all prints, like he said, but I don't lie. That's the reason why I put power prints. You see, like in our we beside the street politic, bad smell, street always talk and doing nothing. You know, like un grand pas game mémoire, you can see. I change the street. A boulevard criminel, boulevard criminality, street hungry, boulevard one day it will be the true day, street inflation, street student problems, street without hope, street when you find you will know, street impasse garbage, street state tyranny, impasse love too. You know that's where I find my girlfriend, and you know that's impasse love. That's where I find my girlfriend. This is a ghetto. You can see, this is the reality of here. You can see this is a reality. You know, here they have an industry to create about art. You know, almost artisanal. You see on the road. You see almost every other country. It's from here. It's from here. They have industry about all things about mahogany because they have the riches. But you can see how people living. The people don't live in the beautiful house. We have a good water to drinking. You can see. But it's not only to say, but you see too. I show you. You see the street. You see the street over there. That's where I live. I live over there. I live over there in the street. This is a ghetto. I born here. I grew up here. People need food. People need healthy. People need education. People need job. If the people can eat well, if people find education, if people find job, they're gonna be the change. No one will act everywhere, you know. But we have to change. We have to make a revolution, you know. It's not really always to talk about the radio. I will change and go on the only conference to say yes, that's gonna happen. He lie, you know. They lie. They making a fucking thing always. Oh, people are gonna change. Haiti will change. Haiti is the same. Haiti is the more means more bad. You know, is a slave more than a slave. You know, to have a $1 Haitian, you have to work 12 times to have $1 Haitian. It's a more than slave. It's another colonizations. You know, to have one US dollars, you're supposed to work 12 times to have it. An American can come in Haiti with $1. He can buy 12. He can buy 12 things here. This is slavery. This is another colonization. You have to change that because we don't produce nothing. You will still in the poverty. And I think the government know what's happening here. He know the problem in Haiti. That's the reason why he keep doing. He keep talk shit, you know? But here, I know. You know the reason why he never do nothing for the young? He know what happened. You know, almost people go to Chile. Almost them is a young. They are no life for the young. That's the reason why the young left Haiti. They can live well. They can find more stability. That's the reason why. They can stay here. They must move. Yeah. We have to live. We exist. We have to love. The people of Haiti exist. We have to go on in life. We have to. And we have to know that too. We have people with a generation power and potentiality. Thanks.